BI tools in our market: MSBI, SAP BI, and Oracle BI. 3 BI tools. So BI is nothing but business intelligence. Okay. So MSBI. Okay. See, always BI technology is same, just implementation is different. MSBI is introduced by Microsoft, SAP BI introduced by SAP, Oracle BI introduced by Oracle. First, if we come to SAP BI, SAP transformation and loading, extraction, transformation and loading. SAP BI is a ETL2. In case of Oracle BI, Oracle also ETL2. Okay, what is the ETL? Extracting the data from the sources, and based on the business requirements, we are modifying the data and loading into the target destinations. In case of MSBI, 3 tools in this: SSIS, SSRS and SSAS. Here, SSIS is a ETL2. SSIS is a ETL2. SSIS is nothing but SQL server.
Okay.
Yes, please.
I can see the screen now. Okay.
Okay. SSIS is a ETL tool. SSIS is nothing but SQL server integration services.
Bindu, sorry to interrupt you.
SSRS is a. Yeah, please.
The problem is your text is coming up very late. Well, actually, we can hear you, and after a long time, your text is coming up. So, which is
It's even for me as well.
Not in sync.
Okay, fine. First, I'll type this information, then I'll explain.
Yeah, that will be much better idea. Thank you.
Give 1 minute. Hi, Phil. This is the Microsoft Business Intelligence. In this, we have 3 tools: SSIS, SSRS, and SSAS. SSIS is a ETL tool: extraction, transformation, and loading. SSRS is a reporting tool used to developing the reports, and SS is analysis tool. Okay. Now, why compared to other BI tools, Microsoft BI is very good in the market? Suppose if you go for SAP BI, it is only the ETL tool. Okay, ETL tool. See, SAP is having own reporting tool, SAP Vivo, business objects, but both are not the single software. Two are different softwares. If you want to work with SAP BI, you need one ETL tool and one reporting tool, SAP BI and SAP Vivo. Previously, they doesn't have database also, own database. Now they recently introduced HANA, SAP HANA. In case of Oracle BI is a ETL tool. Okay. For them, the reporting tool is nothing but OBI is a reporting tool. Okay. They have own database, Oracle. Okay. Suppose if a company ready to use Oracle BI is a ETL tool, they need license for 3 softwares, one database, one ETL tool, and one reporting tool. In case of SAP BI also, same situation. They need license for 3 softwares, ETL, reporting, and database. Only in case of MSBI only, we have ETL along with the reporting. And we have additional feature, analysis services also, SQL Server analysis services. So, we are not going to buy any of these 3 tools. Once you buy SQL base, then you will get these 3 features. That's why we are calling these features as extended features of SQL Server. So, what are the extended features of SQL Server? SSIS, SSRS, and SSEA. You need license for only database. Okay. Once you get the database, you will get the free features SSIS, SSRS, and SSAS. And one more advantage, you can't find any feature that is available in other ETL tool and that is not available in the SSIS. You have all the options. All the features is available. Compared to other ETL tools, we have some additional fields also. And one more thing, for automation also, no need to depending on some other third-party tool. We have own automation option in our SQL Server. Okay. Now, suppose if you want to compare SSIS with other ETL tools, see the major ETL tools, Informatica is the ETL tool, as well as DataStage also ETL tool. Okay, SSIS. Suppose if you are using Informatica as the ETL tool, okay, so you need some database to store your information, right? So some third-party tool, it may be SQL Server or it may be Oracle. You need some third-party tool to maintain your data, and as well as reporting also. Informatica doesn't have one reporting tool, so you need to depending on some other third-party tool. Okay. If you come to the data stage also same situation. Okay, DataStage doesn't have one reporting tool and one database. So you need some third-party tools to maintain the data as well as the developing the reports. In case of SSIS only, you have the database, integrations, and reporting. Okay. Now, see this reporting tool, RS is equivalent to SAP Vivo's, MicroStrategy, ClickView, Cognos, like that. And these tools is not particularly stick to SQL Server database. Wise or SSRS wise, it will support most of the data sources. I mean, you can extract the information from Oracle, DB2, all other source file formats, all other databases. In case of RS also, it will support Teradata, Hyperion, okay, Oracle, DB2. It will support most of the data types. So you can use it for ETL reporting and analysis. Analysis side, you have only one tool is giving competition to SSAS. That is nothing but SAS. Okay, only one other tool is there to giving competition to SSAS. So, if you want to learn this MSBI course, first you should have basic knowledge of SQL Server. So, if you have knowledge on the SQL Server, directly I'll start with SSIS, or else if you want any concepts on SQL Server, I'll start with SQL Server, then we can switch to SSIS, okay, then SSRS, okay, then I'll go for the data warehousing concepts. Data warehousing concepts is nothing but I'll cover the data modeling. Data modeling, I think so you may heard about data modeling. I think so you may worked with data modeling also. We have two different schemas in the data modeling, like a star schema, snowflake schema. We are creating these schemas with combination of facts and dimensions. As an architect level, as 8 years of experience, you will get a chance to work with this data warehousing. Why I am teaching here data warehousing concepts before going for the SSAS? If you have knowledge on the data warehousing, then you can easily understand the SSAS too. Why? Because see now, SSIS is a development tool as well as SSRS is a development tool. I mean ETL development and report development. But SSAS is not a development tool, just data analysis part, just your data maintaining there. Based on the requirement, we're doing the partition, loading the data to the OLAPs, generating the cubes, okay. Everything is the critical concepts only. So you should idea about the data warehousing concepts. Then you can easily understand SSAS concepts. Okay. So this SSIS. So just I will explain you how to open the bits and okay. So see, this is the plan. I'll cover first SSIS, then SSRS, then data warehousing concepts. Then we can switch to SSAS finally. And after completion of this training, I will explain one project flow. I mean, whenever you will get the requirements in the real time, you are approach today. Then what is the steps to you need to follow SSIS in case of SSRS, everything as a real-time project, how you are going to work. I'll explain my project which I worked recently. Okay, so now I'll explain about the tool. Okay, please let me know, suppose if you are not able to see my desktop. Okay, go to all programs in the SQL Server. See, I am taking the training in the 2012. Okay, this is the latest version. In this, see, if you see in the 2005 and 8, here you can find SQL Server Business Intelligence Development Studio, but now it is replaced with SQL Server Data Tools. Okay, see, anybody can see my desktop now. I have opened now all the programs.
No, Bindu, it's still frozen on your Word file. We cannot see anything.
Okay, okay, I'll wait for some time. Okay, see, yeah, I think so everyone worked with a Business Intelligence Development Studio, right?
Yeah.
It means which is available in 2005 and 8 as well as 8R2 also. But now in 2012 we are replaced with SQL tools. Okay, once you see my window, the SQL Server Data Tools, please let me know. Still you are not able to see?
No, we can't see anything yet.
Doing anything, just okay, okay, fine. Okay, please give me 1 or 2 minutes. That will get done. Then, we'll start with SSIS, but I'm not going to explain very basics. I mean, I'll start with the basics, but I will explain like how I got the requirements in the real time. Like whenever I'm explaining each and every task and the transformation, I try to give one scenario. Suppose in which kind of requirement you can use those tasks and transformations, and where I worked also I will try to explain all those things. Okay, like I mean even what I'm expecting, like once you complete the training, so easily you can work with a real-time project. So I will explain all the real-time scenarios. So, like, if you have any project requirements or something, if you have anything related training, specifically to all these concepts, or if you have any requirements like this, please you can share with me. Okay.
Yeah.
Still, you see the word tag?
Yes, I still see all the work tab.
But my voice is clear, right?
Yeah, voice is fine.
I'm sorry, I don't know exactly what's the issue today. I'm sorry for this. Okay. Okay, then it will open. Give me some time. Then it will be like if you have any queries on this. Okay. See, I thought of showing that if you have any queries and if you have any requirements, you can ask me, everyone. If you have some plan, this is what we need, this is what we're expecting.
Actually, no plans as of now. Maybe once we start, then we will come with some requirements. That is what I'm thinking as of now.
Okay, okay. Okay. As well as I'll share with all the materials, I mean documentation. This is the ISRS and AS. This is very helpful for you to practice in the things. Okay.
Okay.
Hi everyone, just I'm disconnecting and I'll connect again. Please give me 2 minutes.
So it's better to restart, I think so. Hello? Is anyone there?
ఇప్పుడు మాట్లాడుతున్నా వినపడుతుందా మామూలుగా? హలో, ఒక్క నిమిషం. హలో హలో
Sir, 1 second, sir, 1 second.
Okay.
She's joining back.
ఓకే.
Okay.
ఏంటంటే ఆమెని అంటే ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ ఇదంతా అడగాలి కదా, అందుకు.
Yeah. అదేం ప్రాబ్లం లేదండి. ఏదో ఈ రోజు ఏదో అక్కడ ఇంటర్నెట్ కనెక్షన్ ప్రాబ్లం అంట.
ఓకే. అంటే ఏం లేదు, అనుకుందే కదా.
ఒక్క నిమిషం జాయిన్ అవుతుంది.